Many drivers believe that their car alarm will deter thieves instantly, but here's the startling truth. Car alarms often fail to do just that. Did you know that most thieves simply ignore blaring alarms because in thousands of cases, they go off without warning? Furthermore, car alarms might not even trigger in certain conditions, leaving your prized vehicle vulnerable. In fact, research shows that over 90% of alarm systems are deactivated after the first week of ownership. So, what's the solution? Invest in a reliable GPS tracking system, which actually helps recover stolen cars in an astonishing 60% of cases. Next time you hear a car alarm scream, remember, it might not protect your ride at all.